Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Hannah Tega. If you are visiting this channel today for the first time, thank you so much for coming. If you are a subscriber or you visit this channel from time to time, thank you so much for coming again. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect V-neck for your top or dress. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you how to cut the blouse quickly before we start making the V-neck. Fold your fabric over. You want to take 2 inches. This 2 inches is for the panel at the front of the blouse. That's for the panel. Then you want to start adding your shoulder measurement. So the shoulder I'm taking here is 8 inches. And you're going to take it from the 2 inches. Don't forget your shoulder divided by 2, whatever you have, you want to make the marking. Now you want to mark the 2 inches all the way down. And like I said, that is for the front panel. This isn't included in the main bodice of your blouse. So you want to make the marking all the way to the length of the blouse. Whatever length you want to make the marking, then add your hem allowance. So your blouse length, hem allowance, make the marking. After this, you want to proceed to add your shoulder slope, 1 inch down. Then you add your armhole. Then you proceed to add your bust circumference divided by 4. Connect it to the armhole. Then you go all the way down to your blouse length. Once all the connections are made, you want to grab your scissors and cut your blouse. Now I'm going to place this on another fabric. The fabric I'm going to use for this tutorial, I'm going to place it on it and cut it out. I'm going to transfer the 2 inches for the front panel and go ahead and stitch down. At this stage, guys, I'm gonna see you at the end of this tutorial, so enjoy watching. Now we've come to the end of the tutorial. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.